looks like our friends here decided to have a little dinner party, and they didn't even invite us. And one of them brought a whole bucket of gasoline. We'll just have to show these guys a little hospitality, Charlene style. Zombie terrorists know how to have a good time. Well, my friends, it's been a pretty epic day, but I'm not sure we've blown up enough shit quite yet, so lucky for us, this baby is equipped with a self-destruct payload with a 15-foot blast radius. So yes, my friends, as much as it pains me, I'm going to blow this thing up. I want to thank my friend Yuri for letting me borrow his ride. Thanks, buddy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves as much as I did. Looks like the future's going to be fun. But if you can't wait another 15 years, my friends are telling me that this baby might just be in the next call.